Hello guys, how are you? This is Betty from China. Another busy loading day at EBUNGE Factory. Today we are loading a new container for our overseas customer. Every partition panel is checked carefully before shipment. Our team works hard to make sure the products are packed safely and loaded neatly into the container. From production to loading, from design to installation, we focus on every detail. Good quality, safe packing, and on-time delivery. This is what we do for every project. Thank you to our EBUNGE customers for the trust and support. EBUNGE Partition Factory Direct Price Global Project Worldwide Delivery. If you are looking for any mobile partition wall project, welcome to contact us to know more. Thank you.